I am always so overwhelmed with Jana's knowledge, and overwhelmed in the greatest possible way ever. She's always so generous as to share all of the knowledge that she has, and this weekend once again has just proved that to me. She has shared so much about the STR and all the numbers and the behind the scenes and everything that goes along with it, and I feel like that it's something that I can take back with me, and it's all totally doable. And I also know that I have a great resource in Jana that I can always come back to if I need extra help.
I thought it was really good to see all the active short-term rentals and just to see how they function in real life, and it's not just something you see on Instagram or the pretty pictures or things like that. It's the nitty-gritty of and the behind the scenes of how things work. So it was very informative and very helpful.
We're already in this market, but the confirmation and information shared has been so fantastic.
If you're interested in learning more about short-term rental and how to start your own business or serve the business, join us for our next workshop. We're actually going to tour properties together and go through our 85-page workbook and network with like-minded professionals just like you. Make sure you sign up and reserve your ticket today.
Come on.